Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to get precise, trusted answers online, stick around because today I'm diving into Perplexity AI, the next level research tool that's going to change the way you find information forever. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be running searches like a pro. Imagine having instant access to 70 plus reputable sources, built-in charts, mini apps, and the ability to filter by academic papers, social media sentiment, or even SEC filings all in one place. That's Perplexity AI. Plus, if you use my link in the description, you'll get a discount on any paid plan. Let's get into it. Now, as you can see, this is the interface of Perplexity AI. Since I have a Perplexity AI Pro account, I have access to all its advanced features. This is the input area where you type your questions or prompts. Here, you'll notice 3 different modes. First is search mode, ideal for lightning fast, straightforward answers. Pro subscribers get unlimited access to this mode. Second is research mode, perfect for when you need in-depth, multi-source reports on any topic. It pulls data from a wide range of sources and gives a comprehensive overview. Third is Labs mode. This is the most powerful mode. It can turn your ideas into complete documents, presentations, dashboards, and much more. Great for productivity and content creation. In this video, we'll be testing all 3 modes to see how they perform. Next, we have the model selection option. From here, you can choose from top-tier models like Claude 4 Sonnet, GPT 4.1, Gemini Pro, and others, each offering unique capabilities in reasoning, writing, and speed. Pick the one that best suits your needs. Just below that, you'll see Max highlighted models, which require a Max subscription to access. Moving on, we have source filters. You can filter the sources based on categories like web, academic, social, finance, and more, depending on the context of your query. Then, you have the option to upload files or images directly for analysis. Below that is Connect Files, where you can link your Google Drive or Dropbox accounts to access and use your documents seamlessly. Finally, we have the Voice mode. You can ask your questions directly to Perplexity and it responds in a natural, human-like voice, making the experience feel interactive and engaging. Now, let's test these 3 modes in action. First, let's start with search mode. I've entered a question. What electric vehicle recalls have happened in 2024? I've set the model to best, which automatically selects the most suitable AI model based on the query. Then, I click send. As you can see, Perplexity has started gathering recent and relevant data on EV recalls. It also shows you which sources it's visiting to pull the information. And just like that, it's done. The results are neatly organized and easy to read. You can click on each source to view detailed references or return to the main answer, where you'll notice clickable source links beneath the content, so you always know where the information came from. There's also an Images tab, which displays any related visuals pulled from the sources. And when you click on the Steps tab, you can see the reasoning trail, how Perplexity arrived at the answer step by step. Next, Research mode. Let's move on to Deep Research mode. I'll type a prompt. Help me sketch a research proposal to test whether microplastics carry antibiotics. Then click Send. Now, Perplexity begins a comprehensive deep dive into the topic. It shows a countdown timer in this case. It says 3 minutes left to complete the research. You'll see it performing multiple searches, analyzing data from a variety of sources, and using logical reasoning to synthesize a full research-backed response. During this process, you can choose to skip steps or get notified when the research is complete. And it's done. Honestly, it didn't even take the full 3 minutes. It was faster than expected. And here are the results. When you click on the Sources tab, you'll notice something impressive. it accessed 78 sources to complete the research. That's significantly more than what the regular search mode typically uses. Now, if you click on the Steps tab, you can see the entire process, how Perplexity broke down your query, researched each aspect, and compiled the final answer. The final result is well structured and clearly written. This mode is ideal if you frequently work on academic or market research. What makes it powerful is this. It doesn't generate facts on its own. Instead, it finds accurate information from trusted sources, then summarizes it intelligently and presents it in an easy-to-understand format. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see some useful export options. Share link. Export as PDF, Markdown, DocX, or even a Perplexity page. Now, this Perplexity page feature is incredible. It turns your research into a full web page. You can even edit the page by clicking Edit Page and then Add Section. You can add more content manually or ask Perplexity to generate follow-ups or additional sections. When you're done, just hit Done to save the updates. Now, let's test the third and most powerful mode, Labs. This is where Perplexity truly shines. Let's use one of these suggested prompts. Analyze the relationship between consumer confidence indices and retail spending trends during tariffs. Click Send and you'll see the estimated time about 9 minutes. That's expected because Labs mode performs a comprehensive analysis by pulling from a wide array of sources. Let's wait while it processes. And just like that, the task is complete. You'll notice the Sources and Steps tabs work just like they do in search and research modes, letting you trace the process and verify the information. But now, let's explore something next level, the Assets tab. This tab contains crazy powerful output in multiple formats. For this particular task, it has generated a Python code with relevant data processing, charts and visualizations, CSV files, and summarized findings, all ready for download. If you want to download anything, just click the download button next to each asset or simply copy it directly from the interface. In some cases, Perplexity will even generate extra detailed assets depending on the depth and nature of your query. This is exactly what makes Perplexity AI one of the most advanced research tools available today. Now, let's quickly explore the source mode options. When you click on Source at the top, you'll see filters like Web for standard internet searches, Academic for scholarly and peer-reviewed sources. Let's switch to academic mode. Walk me through the derivation of the Black-Scholes equation step by step. Then click Send. Perplexity now retrieves data only from academic sources, and the result is a clean, precise explanation of the Black-Scholes derivation from trusted research papers and textbooks. Now, let's try social mode. What are people talking about the most on X, formerly Twitter? Perplexity scars social platforms like Reddit, X, and others. The answer? The current hot topics include pop music, real-time news, technology, and art, a live snapshot of what's trending in the social sphere. Now switching to finance, Perplexity pulls data from government and official financial sources. Perfect for policy analysis, economic indicators, and market insights. On the Perplexity home screen, at the bottom, you'll find a language selector. You can choose from a variety of global languages, making it super accessible for users around the world. Now, let's check out the Discover tab. Here, you'll find a curated feed of global news, market trends, and company pricing automatically suggested by Perplexity's AI. Let's click on a headline. Google launches AI chess tournament. The article is presented in a clean, summarized format. And what's cool is, you can even ask follow-up questions directly from within the article view. It's like chatting with the news itself. Now, let's take a look at the Spaces tab. In Perplexity, spaces function like smart folders that help you organize your chats and research by topic. They're perfect for keeping things tidy, especially if you're working on multiple projects or research areas. Here, you'll see a variety of ready-made templates you can use. Or you can simply click Create to build your own custom space. Let's try it out. I'll create a space called YouTube News and add a short description. Inside the space, you can upload files, add links, and provide custom instructions to tailor AI responses for this specific space. Click on the Instructions button, then tap the Edit icon to define exactly how you'd like the AI to respond inside this space: tone, format, depth, etc. You can also choose a default mode: search, research, or labs, depending on your needs. This feature is especially useful if you're working on a long-term project, a report, or content series. Let's now explore some important settings. Click on your profile photo to open the settings menu. Under Account, you'll see your account details. Scroll down and you'll find the referral section. Here, you can refer friends, and both of you will receive 1 month of Pro Access free on your next billing cycle. Pretty awesome. In the Preferences section, you can change the appearance, dark, light mode, set your preferred interface language, choose the AI response language, enable or disable auto suggestions, and select your default AI model. There's even a drop-down to pick a model for image generation. You also have the option to toggle AI data retention on or off depending on your privacy preferences. Personalization tab. In this section, you can tell Perplexity more about yourself, like your profession, interests, or preferred topics. This helps the AI deliver more personalized responses that match your goals and context. You can also enable location services here to get accurate weather and local news updates. There's the memory section. This feature is currently in beta, so it may change in the future, but it's designed to help Perplexity remember context over time. For now, let's leave it and move on. Now let's head over to the Tasks tab. This feature lets you automate actions and deliver the right context at the right time, completely hands-free. Just describe what you want. For example, give latest news on YouTube. Then, click the Add Task button. You'll see several customization options like Instructions, Schedule, Day and Time, Mode, Search, Research or Labs, Model of your choice, Source filters, Web, Academic, Social, Finance. Once everything's set, hit Done and your task will run automatically. Next, go to Connectors tab. From here, you can link your Google Drive or Dropbox directly to Perplexity for easy file access, super convenient for students, researchers, and creators. You'll also find a WhatsApp link here, so you can use Perplexity right inside WhatsApp for quick answers and real-time AI assistance. If you're a developer or a business, head over to the API tab. Here, you can create a new API group, fill in your project details, save it, and start building with Perplexity's powerful backend. If you're in India and use Airtel, here's a treat. Airtel is offering 12 months of Perplexity Pro for free via the Airtel Thanks app. Go grab it now, it's an insane value. And that's it for this full walkthrough of Perplexity AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Drop your questions in the comments below and let me know which feature blew your mind the most. Was it Labs mode, Spaces, the automated tasks? If you want to know how to scrape any website using AI, you can watch this video on your screen. Also, tell me what topic you'd like me to cover in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. This is Alfred, and I'll catch you in the next one.